Welcome back to Dadskillz, and yes, I think I'm going to pronounce that nice tie.
Dadskillz, 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 Dadskillz.
So today we're having a look at some garden lights from a company that looks like it's pronounced nice tie. These are currently $47.99 on Amazon. There we go, we've got a remote with it, very nice looking remote. We've got the usual instructions, and these look pretty comprehensive. A lot of instructions about the app on there. What else we got? So this is the transformer. Now these lights are 24 volt, which is great for a garden. There we go, we've got some spikes for them, and we've got the respective fasteners. So this is 24 volts, which is great. It means the dog can't chew through 240 volts and electrocute itself. So first impression of this light when I got it out was it's light and it feels a bit cheap and plasticky. Here we go, let's put the spike on just so you can see how it works. There we go, 4 of them laid out. You can obviously use 1 to 4, and if you're going to use 1, then use the end one because it's capped off safely so there's no water ingress. There we go, there's our 4-pin plug there that you slot together using this little locating bit, and then do it back up, and it's all watertight, which is great. So let's turn them on and see what they're like. Okay, so when you first turn them on, you get these flashes through the colours, and then we've got our remote. We're trying to do it up against that white wall so you can see how saturated the colours are. Just going to run through all the colours. Loads of options on there. So if you don't want to put the app on your phone, I think this remote is more than suitable. And then we've got some options down the side there. We've got a flash. Strobing effect. Fade. And then a smooth. And 2 white buttons at the top there. Slow or quicken the pace of those actions. Right, let's have a quick look outside at the setup and see how well they're doing. So this is the remote, which we'll have a look at in a minute. I will link the video where I did a makeover of the garden and added lights and painted all that and all the rest of it. So I'll link that above now. So we've got, I'll just turn these off so you can see. So we've got a Govee strip up there, which is operated from in the garage. And so I think with these on, let's get the camera correct, with these on in blue, that's a really nice contrast there. We've got it all set up, hot tub ready. So yeah, I'm dead happy with them. And we'll mount them permanently. So that'd be really good. So let's go and take a look at the app. So the app is easy enough to find. Use the QR code, and I found it straight away. I was hoping it was going to be the same format as the 2-Year Smart Life app, but this is a different standalone app. It's very capable by the look of it. There we go, we've got our colour wheel ring, and we had our black and white ring. 4 options at the bottom: RGB mode that we've just seen, custom, and then we've got a music mode. Pretty standard, but pretty comprehensive, and quite an easy to use app really. And there it is in the home. It just tells us what we've synced with the app.
Dadskillz, 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 Dadskillz.
So all things considered, that's a pretty decent set of lights there. Leave me something suitably tie related in the comments below, and take a look at this video on screen now. I think you'll like it. Catch you again.